Flicks it down the fine eight for single. O'Donnell on strike. The big bye. 3 to win. Close. It's gone in. He's come. Oh, what a finish. England gets Sarnell out of RBW with 3 runs for victory. The end of the fine innings. 3 balls to be bowled. 3 runs and Carl Rackham will make his way to the wicket. What a finish. What a match.
Carl doesn't want to go.
Imran Khan to Carl Rackham. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't a good delivery.
Wasn't a good shot.
In comes Imran Khan. Bowled in. Wow, what a finish. Rackham clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman to face the music. What a finish. As Alderman takes guard. Indicate on the Pakistan manager. He's bringing his fieldsman in a couple of places at deep mid wicket.
Where is Java?
Oh, the 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. It's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground. And there's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. A great victory for Pakistan. A real quick hang on by 2 runs.